Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can put arrows in your Google document. So let us get into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your Google Doc is open. And here we are going to travel to the top left-hand side of the page, and we're going to look for Insert. Okay. Now, once we are here, we're going to look for the drawing item, and then we are going to tap on new. Now this is a drawing tool, whereas you can draw freehand or enter in a bunch of different shapes. Now from the top menu, you're going to look for what looks like a circle and a square, and that is your shapes menu. You're going to tap on that. Now here you can see there are a bunch of different shapes, including arrows, and here you can choose the arrow style that you would like. Okay, so we're going to choose this one here, and then simply in this drawing box you're going to click down and pull back, and you're going to start to create your arrow. All right, so here is our arrow. Now what we can do while it's still selected is we can give it a color. So you're going to use this icon over here, that's the fill color, and we're going to use this red. And then right next to that, there is a border color, and we're going to use the gray. And right next to that, we have the border weight. You're going to make that 8, as you can see. And then next to that, you have the border dash. That's a border style. All right. And there we go. We're going to choose this one here. That looks pretty cool. And then once you are done, you can tap on save and close. Now, if you would like to edit this arrow again, you can just tap on this, and here you can see that there are image options, and you can go and further change the properties of that image. So now we have our arrow, and what we can do from here is right at the bottom you have the alignment option. So what you want to do is you want to tap on break text. Now this will allow you to move it pretty much anywhere you'd like on your Google Doc. And there we go. You've now created an arrow in your Google Doc. If this was helpful, drop us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.